So to complete this foundational or fundamental AEO course, one thing which I wanted to share is like start using let's say Opcart to first analyze like check your discoverability, audit your website, web pages, blogs, or if you have online stores, then audit every single SKU and then see what is lacking. Now you know the fundamentals already, like how to structure and create an optimized AEO strategy, or how to start with. Things will change. You have to keep adapting to it. And also now you know that it's not a one-time thing. You have to keep checking. That's why there is workflow option where you can run every check and every audit in a workflow, and then you see what is the improvement based on the strategy that you actually performed. And yeah, use the tool to actually like plan your AEO strategy and implement it. The tool will guide you to implement it. And at the same time, like it's a change in mindset already. So the central idea is that it is all about becoming a part of the answer. So the forget about search results and so on. It's more about helping the let's say help to shape the information a user sees when they ask a question. So it's questions and answers. That's something that you have to take away from here. And a lot of things have to work together here. One is you have to think you have to think in this way. It's like a prompt based thinking or a topic based thinking, and a content that is structured and useful, reachable for humans as well as for AI, not just visible on your platform, but also visibility across the wider web, across different platforms where AI is actually taking the information, and also technically accessible so that AI can, or answer engines can actually understand, like crawl, understand, and also use your material in the right way. So the measurement mindset should also change. You're not just thinking about traffic here, you are a conversion here. You're also thinking about mentions, citations, share of voice, the way in which the answers are, or your brand is being framed in this answer, and so on. So traditional SEO tools don't provide that because that they are tracking old metrics. For example, Opcart provides you the new metrics that you have to track. And yeah, use such tool to actually track and understand the performance. And start building these habits now, this shift in mindset now, because it is just getting started. Things will change and you have to adapt to it as well, just like how SEO is, like, I don't know, it's many years old now, right? And it kept changing, like SEO managers also had to adapt and improve for every change that, let's say, Google made. Likewise, there will be a lot of upcoming changes and you have to be adapted, and always like do the audits regularly and then keep improving it. So the winner will not be just the brand with just pages online. There will be brands whose content is extremely clear. The content should be credible. The content should be updated, like current, and also citable by AI. So that's about the foundations course of AEU, and I hope you all found it informative and useful. So my next recommendation is start trying it on your own. If you have your own website, or if you're working for some other company, start using Opcart and then start using the audits that Opcart provides, and then see where you stand right now. Get suggestions from Opcart, and then also like start creating your AEO strategy. Start working on it now. My last point is yeah, again, it is a continuous process. So run workflows, continuously audit the answer changes. You have to keep adapting to it. Thank you so much.